Hello students. Let us continue with pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us once recap or revise what we have done till now. We are knowing what is pair of linear equations in two variables, what are simultaneous linear equations, how to solve simultaneous linear equations by two methods has been explained. One method was graphical method in which few sums were dealt. The second method is algebraic method in which three methods will be explained in standard 10. The first two methods, that is substitution method and elimination method, has been explained and the sums based on them has also been explained. Now we will do the related exercises of NCERT from exercise 3.1 to 3.3 before doing the third method by algebraic, that is cross multiplication method. So let us start with exercise 3.1, question number 1, which says that Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Question is, represent this algebraically and graphically. Now children, this question can be done as a linear equation in two variables or in one variable. But since we are dealing with the pair of linear equations in two variables, we will be doing in two variables over here. So, over here two persons are there, Aftab and daughter. So, let the present age of Aftab equals to x years and the present age of daughter equals to y years. Now two conditions are given, 7 years ago and 3 years hence. So let us do the first case, 7 years ago. 7 years ago. Age of Aftab will be equals to how much? Present age is x. So 7 years ago, Aftab will be x minus 7 years. Similarly, age of daughter will be equals to y minus 7 years. Now question is given that 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you. So, according to question, Aftab equals to 7 times daughter. So, we can write x minus 7 equals to 7 times y minus 7. This implies x minus 7 minus 7y minus 49 equals to 0. This implies x minus 7y, this will come this side with 14 plus 49. So minus 7 plus 49 is plus 42 equals to 0. This is the first linear equation which we have got. Now second condition, 3 years from now. So we will write 3 years hence. Age of Aftab will be equals to how much? X plus 3 years. And age of daughter will be how much? Y plus 3 years. Again, according to question, what the question is saying? I shall be 3 times as old as you. So, Aftab equals to 3 into daughter. So children, we can write x plus 3 equals to 3 into y plus 3. This implies x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 equals to 0. This implies x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. So children, we have got two linear equations. The first is x minus 7y plus 42 equals to 0 and the second one is x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. So the first part, represent this algebraically. So we have represented it algebraically. And the second part of the question is saying graphically. So you will draw the graph of these two linear equations which I have explained earlier. So you draw it by your own. Question number 2 of exercise 3.1 is, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. Represent this algebraically and graphically. So, let the cost of one bat equals to rupees X and the cost of one ball equals to rupees Y. Now the coach buys 3 bat and 6 balls for rupees 3900. So therefore, according to question, 3x plus 6y equals to 3900. Cost of 1 is x, so cost of 3 will be 3x. Cost of 1 is y, so cost of 6 will be 6y, and the total is 3900. Now this we can write as x plus 2y equals to 1300, because 3 is common, so dividing by 3. Make it equation number 1. Now the second part is saying that later she buys another bat and 3 more. So also according to question, x, 1 bat she is buying, plus 3 balls. So 3y equals to 1300. So the second equation is this one. So the first equation is x plus 2y equals to 1300. And the second equation is x plus 3y equals to 1300. So children, solve this, represent the equation algebraically and graphically. The question is this one. So algebraic representation is this one, and the graphical representation you will please do by your own by drawing the graphs of those two linear equations. Coming to question number 3. Question 3 is, the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. So children, over here apple and grapes is there. So let the cost of 1 kg of apples equals to rupees X and the cost of 1 kg of grapes equals to rupees Y. Then according to question, 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes. So 2x plus y equals to rupees 160. Also, according to question, 4 kg of apples, 4x, plus 2 kg of grapes, 2x, equals to rupees 300. This implies 2x plus of y equals to 150. So we have got the two linear equations. So algebraic solution is this one, and graphical solution you will be doing by your own.